It's science experiment time!
Let's prepare the setup. Reader stand, you need bar magnet, paper clip, string, and also weight. And then, you also need to prepare magnetic and non-magnetic materials such as paper, aluminum foil, plastic, metal ruler, scissors, eraser, wooden pencil, and etc. As you can see that the paper clip was attracted by the bar magnet and it made the paper clip look like a float in the air. Now, let's try to put some objects between the bar magnet and the paper clip. Observe what happens.